Hello tech enthusiasts. Are you looking to take control of your time? Whether you're crossing time zones or just prefer your clock a certain way, today we're diving into how you can change the time settings on your Android device. Let's get your time ticking just right. 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. 2. Tap on the gear icon to open your settings menu. 3. Scroll down and select General Management or System, depending on your device. 4. Now, tap on Date and Time. 5. Here's a crucial step: toggle off the Use Network Provided Time option to set the time manually. 6. Ready to set the time? Tap on Set Time and adjust the clock to your preference. 7. Don't forget to press Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set the time on your Android device. Wasn't that easy? Now you know how to change the time on your Android phone whenever you need. For more tech tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.